Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Apple Magic Trackpad with your laptop. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start using your Apple Magic Trackpad with your laptop. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of the devices together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, you want to make sure that you actually charge your Apple Magic Trackpad. Second, you want to go ahead and turn this button on. And so where you can see the green, this is going to turn it into pairing mode. Now, assuming that you've already disconnected your trackpad from all other devices that you've previously connected it to, in your laptop, you want to navigate to where it says System Settings right over here, then click on Bluetooth right over here, and then under Nearby Devices, you want to find your trackpad. So my trackpad is right over here. I'm going to click on Connect, and underneath my devices, you can now see that my trackpad has been connected. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pair your Apple Magic Trackpad with your laptop. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.